Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube as quick as possible. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing to consider is your niche. That means what your channel is all about. So right here on this page, you must have probably seen these kinds of videos before. They are called relaxing videos or meditation videos, but you can't just upload a random video if your channel is on cooking or if your channel is totally on a different niche. So the logic is that you have to make it relatable to your channel. So I am going to be showing you some example right here. So this channel right here called Code Pioneers. If you look right here, they have a coding relaxing jazz music uploaded on their channel right here. And this video currently has 100+ people watching it right now. And this video is going to help this channel get a lot of watch time quickly. Another channel right here called the AMP channel. If we scroll down right here, we will discover that they also have a relaxing beat with over 75,000 views alone. This will help this channel cover the watch time very quickly. So how do you make such videos for your own channels? The first thing is to have a video editor, and I want to give you an option to a free video editor called OpenShot. So go to this website called www.openshot.org and you can download and install the video editor all for free. And where to get the music for your video is to go to YouTube Audio Library, and right here you can just type in relaxing music right here in the search bar and hit enter. And let's click and check the second one right here. So as you can see, this is very lovely. So all you need to do is to go to the right hand side and download this music for free. And you don't have to worry about any copyright issues at all. And once you are done, you can go to this website called pexels.com. This website gives you free copyright videos to use in any of your projects. So all you need to do is search for videos in the search bar right here and hit enter and click on videos right here. And you can choose the ones you are okay with and download them. Just scroll around and check for the video you are comfortable with and download them. So once you have the videos and the audio together, you can then open the video editor and put them together by drag and drop. But if you don't know how to use OpenShot video editor, you can just go to YouTube and search for how to use OpenShot video editor, and you will find a lot of tutorials to learn from. And once you are done editing your video, all you need to do is upload it to your channel and start getting the views you want. So guys, thanks for watching. We hope you learned a lot from this video. See you in the next video.